So I know my shirt doesn't look good at all, but that's not what this video is about. I wanted to make this video to show you guys all my fursuit masks. I'm outside with my dog right now, Shelby. She's dumb. But this one, you've probably seen him the most. This is Philip. He is a male German Shepherd. Sorry, I've got to make sure my family's not watching me. They know I'm a furry, but still. He's like around 25 in doggy years. Oh, hi, Shelby. You want to say hi to follow, to subscribe? He's like, I haven't really decided. I haven't really decided whether or not he is a house dog or not, but he has a collar. He's the only one of my fursonas that has a collar, mainly because he's a dog. And you'll probably see him the most because he is my #1 fursona. Pretty sure he's like my first ever official fursona since I found out I'm a furry. And let's go to the second one I made. It was never made to be a fursona in the first place, but then they just became a fursona. This is Blinky. They use they them pronouns because they don't have like genders on their planet. And Blinky, we don't know how old Blinky is. Blinky's an alien. Not really much about Blinky. And my newest one, this one doesn't have a name, but he uses he, her pronouns. She's really pretty. He's an albino bat, an albino fruit bat. I finished her today. On the back, she has little fruits, and on this ear, I will put the name I pick and the username of the person that that like came up with the name idea that I liked. And yeah, just a silly little fruit bat. She's a young adult. And yeah, that's all my fursonas that I have masks for. I have like 2 others that are like actual fursonas. One's named Ruby. She's a scene toucan. And the other one is named Raphael. No, he's not a turtle. He's like a teenage lion, around like 13, 14. And yeah, that's all. Bye.